Hello, everybody. My name is Rupashi, and we are today going with the topic against or in favor of Harshad Mehta scam. So, as we all know, Harshad Mehta scam is a very popular scam of 1992, which involves doing the scam of securities market. He found the loophole in the banking system, and then he manipulated the banks and go for the fake receipts and buy the stocks, increasing its prices to around 2000, and it did the scam of over, I think, 2000 or 4000 crore. So according to, if I talk about me, according to me, I think that the scam, obviously scams are not good, but the way he played that, I think that it's something like a mastermind can do this. So yeah, if it was not good, obviously he also went for punishment for that thing. But according to me, I think that it involves a lot of mind grow, very intelligent mind to analyze that whole loophole and then use it for its own benefit.
So you,
What I
Rupashi, you are
feel,
saying you are in favor of that.
I'm not
so for
completely in favor. I am favoring his presence of mind. Like, there are loopholes in every
That
system
we'll
in
discuss
India.
about.
Okay.
Anybody can
Okay.
can
So
utilize the loopholes and do everything.
But that
okay.
ultimately means that you're favoring him, isn't
Yeah,
it?
okay, fine, we can say that. Okay, yeah, I'm in favor.
so
Okay. My
my
name
name
is
is
Ishan
Gaurav.
Pandey, and I am an against of this scam because whatever he was doing, he was actually knowing that he was not doing correct. Instead, he should have chosen the right path. He selected something which was unethical and which could give financial harm to the normal public. So I think whatever it was, I'm in against of that.
See, before directly coming to the topic, we should understand what exactly was the scam. So, during that time, banks were not allowed to invest into the secondary market.
Your
So,
name, take your name first.
uh, yeah, I'm Divyanshu. So what exactly happened was that he bank were not allowed to directly invest into the invest into the stock market. So they have to go through a channel that is a broker. Here, Harshad Mehta was a broker.
Yeah.
So as per the bank, they wanted to invest in the money market, but instead he invested into the capital market, which created a liquidity crisis. So, and at that time, things were not very transparent. So this scam occurred. So as per the law, he was not abiding by it. So I would say that this was, if you are not legally abiding by the law, so it's unfair and it's totally unethical. So I would say I'm against this scam.
And also, what he was doing, he was actually transferring all those funds from like securities from one bank to another bank, and he was exchanging all of those things to to take that money and invest in the stock market.
Yeah, he
So
was
one
doing
day it
that.
was,
That's why I found it like really intelligent that he was smart enough to, to analyze it. He analyzed the whole loophole
I
system
think he
of the
was not
banking
But
system.
in this,
intelligent enough to
in this
get it.
context,
Eh,
each
eh,
and every criminal is smart enough to hide its crime. So he also did
My
the
name is
same.
Gaurav, and
But
I
the
would
thing
like
is,
to add to this
Divyanshu,
point.
he was Citibank and other players were also doing the same thing. Only thing Harshad Mehta did is that he did it on a very large scale and started showing off.
Yes, and there were many other people who were prominent at that time, including I wouldn't name him, but many of the key members of the country at that time were included with him. So it's just the matter that he did not gave them the commission, or what do you say, he did not pass them the money. That's why
He
this
was
scam
not
came into
able
picture.
to return money to bank.
Moreover, I would like to add a point over here is that that he was a person who was involved into a corruption, which in a word we can say, and which is something which is unethical and without any moral. And this thing should not be supported. And whatever the government did to bust him down or to take him down was correct measure. And since any wrongdoing have a wrong outcome as well, so whatever happened with this scam, I'm completely in favor that yes, it was correct, and it should have had happened with the Harshad Mehta.
But Gaurav, those who put him down were also included with him, were also the part of this scam.
Exactly,
Yeah,
they were
those
also
Well,
doing the
all the
same thing as
supporters
he was
and
doing.
yeah, he was
Most
not
of
doing
them, there, everyone
actually.
who are corrupt and doing this. Mostly of them.
well, can I make a point if you all allow me? Okay, my name is Keshav. I just want to raise a point. We all are talking about Harshit Mehta right now just because a series has been launched, a web series on Netflix. So we need to mention that. Otherwise, none of us was aware about this whole
Sony lives,
scenario.
Sony lives.
Yeah,
Sony Live,
so
sorry,
did
I didn't saw that yet. So what I can say on this whole topic is, I guess this was really a bad idea to put this on a web series and highlight this whole scenario because ultimately we are leading a young generation to a wrong path. Now they themselves are finding some loopholes in policies. They are running away from the responsibilities or the right path, and they're trying the shortcuts, which is ultimately not the right thing for a young generation. They did a very bad, they took a very bad step. Anyone would like to defend against this topic, or maybe you want to say
no,
something
yeah, the
if I said
whatever you
something wrong?
said, like highlighting in on the social media platform, like to take all its back, it was wrong on their part. They should not have done that. Yeah.
Obviously this thing should not have been highlighted. Is
Also, what
anyone
Maybe we
Rupashi
all
earlier
can give
said.
a one-point conclusion for this, since it's
Okay,
already
I just
8.
wanted to say one thing, that what Rupashi said, he was intelligent enough to pull off this scam. I think other players were more intelligent than him, that they could do also, and they were like, they were not caught also.
you could
So
easily
they were more
hide them.
intelligent.
Yeah, yeah, it will also be, yeah, you're right.
And
Okay.
moreover, his knowledge could be
And,
utilized into other
he could
bureaus
use
of
his
the government
intelligence
department.
in improving stock market also instead of doing this cheating.
Well, ultimately, I don't think so we would be able to remember his name or recall his name then. This was the only situation he created, and we can recall his name. Well, anyways,
Yeah,
the
but
outcome
whatever
of
it is, for many, Harshad Mehta is a hero. For many, he is a very big villain because
many
their
of
family
us over
lost a
here
lot of
would be
money.
loving him, but they are not showcasing
Yeah, the
their
way
or
Yeah,
expressing their
he
feelings.
was
right.
doing at that time, people also started, knowing him as a big bull of the securities market.
Yeah,
He
many
was
people
known as
made
a
a
So,
big
lot of
bull.
money following his stocks.
Yeah.
so can we have one by
Many
one
many big
conclusion of the whole
firms
topic?
also invested in the market because the prices rose a lot higher at that time because of him.
So shall we have conclusion
So,
one by one for the topic?
yeah,
What I
let
feel,
everyone
Keshav,
speak one line
we
about
all,
the conclusion.
Yeah, Divyanshu, you were saying something.
no, what I feel is we all have the same point that this was quite unethical and this shouldn't be done. So if there are unethical practices in the system, we shouldn't support that. Like in this web series, they are glorifying Harshad Mehta. Instead, they shouldn't have done it, and we should stop all the unethical practices on and never ever indulge in any of the unethical practices. Sort of it. That's my point. Hope that
Okay,
that would be the point of our
to
team.
okay.
Yeah.
Like if I want to conclude this, for me, it is like if we say that we are favoring his scam, we are also like giving a influence to the younger generation, and we are telling them that you could also pull off some tricks like that to make money, which is actually not right. So I think this scam is I can't favor this scam at all.
Okay,
Moreover,
well,
I would also like to add a point to both of you that although knowledge is quite appreciated and it is uh, quite a good thing to have, however, using knowledge in the right sense and into the right path is what makes a difference between an ethical citizen and ideal citizen other than that of others. Thank you.
okay. Well, I would like to say one thing. We have seen we have seen Indians saying that India is one of the most corrupt country in the entire world. And on the other hand, we are totally praising this series. We are saying he is our idol. I don't think so. Why people are being so diplomatic about this topic, or maybe why they're being biased when it comes to entertainment, they simply praise such kind of topics, and when it comes up to like showcasing your image in front of the world, we ourselves dominate our own country. We say we are corrupt. Then why are we supporting such web series? We should not do that. That was my part. Okay.
Right, right.
Okay, I think we can conclude now. Chanchal, you just came. You want to add something? He's stuck. Okay.
Would
Yes.
Vanshika and Rupansha, would you like to add one point for the
Okay,
conclusion?
Yeah,
yeah.
because I guess we are short of time.
Yeah, okay. I actually spoke in favor, but it was not like I was in favor of what unethical means he used, but I was just supporting his, intelligence in all the things that like I'm not completely in favor. Obviously, there are like two point of views of all in all things. Uh, there are two phases of all things. Like we can be in support of them or in against of them as well. So yeah, I was not totally in support or not totally against of this topic.
Well,
I'm against of this
Rupashi,
scam because
uh,
of Harshad Mehta scam. Government was facing so much of huge loss because he was unable to return their money.
am I audible? Can I add a
Yes,
point?
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Chanchal.
I think the scam is not just that he did many things which are unethical, but he has pointed out many things like how our banking system was slow. Like he mentioned that RBI was this was in the eyes of RBI for last 1 years, and there was no power to SEBI. So there were many irregularities related to the money market as well as capital market. So he just used that, and the banks were the banking system were aware about these irregularities, that he is doing such things, but they were not doing. And like the big international banks, they were also uh, ruling in the money market. So I think that was a very important, like government. This comes as an scam, and the government got to know about such things, that there are many loopholes and irregularities that came out because of him. Although there was many humors, like there were political connections and many more things, but I think this series has its own presence, and it has its own advantage as well. So looking at this series, that this is very useful for people, that they can learn that uh, how we can be aware of these things. And
Yeah, you're right, Chanchal. Actually, there were a lot of reforms in our financial system as well. Even SEBI became the statutory body after this. So in a way, good
that's
for
right.
our India.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Okay, anybody want to add some point or we can wind up?
I think we can
Yeah,
wind up.
Yeah, we can wind it up.
Okay then.